Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C21Y and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now we have to enter developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the video of how to enable them, so let's check it and come back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down and find System UI Demo Mode. Let's tap on it, and here we've got two options. First of all, we can enable the demo mode without showing it, so just tap on it and nothing happened obviously. And if you'd like to show it, just tap on the second switcher, and as you can see, we can see the differences on the status bar. So for example, the clock stopped on the 11 o'clock, and right now we've got 2 o'clock. Yeah, we've got 2 o'clock, so it's changed. What's more, we've got all the icons in the full state. So this is how the demo mode works. Of course, you can keep it turned on without showing it, just tap on the switcher, and if you'd like to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher at the top. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.